Mastering, Run Through It Again, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase you've likely heard but might not fully understand. Run through it again. Whether you're a beginner or advancing in English, grasping the nuances of such phrases can significantly enhance your fluency. So, let's get started. Run through it again is a versatile phrase used in both formal and informal contexts. At its core, it means to explain, rehearse, or go over something once more. It's a request for repetition, often with the aim of achieving clarity or perfection. This phrase can be applied in various scenarios, from academic lessons to business presentations and casual conversations. 1. Run through is a phrasal verb with several meanings, but in this context, it signifies the action of going over or reviewing something. 2. It refers to the subject or matter at hand, which could be a task, a presentation, instructions, or any piece of information. 3. Again, highlights the request for repetition. The speaker asks for the subject to be revisited one more time. Combining these elements gives us run through it again, a polite yet direct way to ask for a recap or an additional practice round. To better understand how to use run through it again, let's look at a few examples. In a classroom setting, I didn't quite catch the last part of the lesson. Could you run through it again, please? During a rehearsal, that scene didn't feel quite right. Let's run through it again before we take a break. In a business meeting, before we conclude, can we run through the main points again to ensure we're all on the same page? There you have it, a deep dive into the phrase, run through it again. Understanding and using such phrases accurately can greatly enhance your English communication skills. We hope this video has shed light on how to use it effectively in your daily interactions. Don't forget, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to run through it again in your study sessions. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!